Our High Line Park sections closed due to maintenance work. Imagine strolling along one of New York City's most popular outdoor spaces and suddenly hitting a section that's temporarily off-limits. You might wonder if the entire park is closed or just a part of it. Well, the truth is, some sections of the High Line Park are occasionally closed for maintenance or repairs. For example, from early July through late August in the year 2025, the 10th Avenue Square area between 16th and 18th Streets has been closed. This part of the park is a favorite spot for many visitors because of its stunning views and seating areas. The closure is necessary because, after 16 years of heavy use, the infrastructure needs some work to stay safe and looking good. During this period, visitors cannot access the 10th Avenue Square or the sunken overlook seating area nearby. But don't worry, most of the park remains open and accessible. To get around the closed section, visitors need to exit and re-enter the park at designated points depending on which way they are going. If you're using the elevator and heading north, you should exit at 14th Street and re-enter at 23rd Street. If you're going south, do the opposite. For those on stairs traveling north, exit at 16th Street and re-enter at 18th Street, and vice versa for traveling south. Other parts of the High Line, including the sections near Chelsea Market Passage, are still open for walking, relaxing, and enjoying the city views. Elevators and stair access points at other locations continue to work normally. These maintenance efforts are part of the ongoing responsibility to keep the High Line safe and beautiful. The park is built on a historic rail line that is 30 feet above street level, which makes it unique but also requires regular upkeep. The City and Nice Parks and Outdoor Spaces Department support these repairs to ensure the park remains a top spot for both residents and visitors. So, if you plan to visit and find a section closed, just follow the signs and re-entry points. The rest of the park is still open, and you can enjoy the lush greenery, art installations, and city views that make the High Line such a special place in New York City.